Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to create mockups in Canva. Mockups are fantastic tools for showcasing your designs in a professional and realistic way, making your work truly stand out. Canva makes this process incredibly straightforward, even if you are new to design. We will start by exploring the Smart Mockups feature, which is your gateway to a vast library of customizable templates. Once you are in the Smart Mockups section, you will discover a wide array of templates. You can easily search for specific categories such as apparel, technology, or print products. Take your time to browse through the options and select a template that perfectly aligns with your design. There are hundreds of choices, ensuring you find the ideal setting for your creative work. Now it is time to bring your design into the mockup. You can either upload an existing design from your computer or create a new one directly within Canva's editor. Simply drag and drop your image onto the placeholder area in your chosen mockup. Canva's smart features will automatically adjust it, but you can fine-tune the size and position for a perfect presentation. With your design in place, you can now make any final adjustments. Canva offers additional editing tools to enhance your mockup, such as adding text overlays, extra graphics, or even changing the background. Once you are completely satisfied with your creation, simply click the Share button and choose your preferred download format, like PNG or JPG, to save your stunning new mockup.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.